Hello and welcome to Target AFO YouTube channel, and I'm here to help you crack the IBPS AFO exam. Welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. If you are missed our date and target topics, check out my previous short video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. IIMI is located in dash. Leave your answers in comment section. Second question. AV or DC located in dash. Leave your answers in comment section. Third question. Total horticulture production in India dash. Fourth question. The sour taste of leaves and pods of chickpea is due to the presence of dash. Fifth question. Deep sowing of gram is product from dash. Sixth question. Fruit of rose is known as dash. Seventh question. Coconut is propagated by dash. Eighth question. Dead hot symptoms of sugarcane is caused by dash. Ninth question. O horizon is absent in which soil? The last question. Canker nodules are mostly found in dash. Leave your answer in comment section. That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's crack this exam together.